you nicely and you're going, oh, whatever, you're young, you'll learn. Bless you.
No,
I hope your mum gets the same respect.
No, I was just saying that I'm just charging my phone and I'll move space. Maybe people don't like your music because it's really loud. If you play your music, I'm just saying, trying to edit a video of my boat rides. I'm not gonna lie.
You remember Mother Earth? She needs you.
I don't know about all that. I'm not gonna lie.
You've
But
got
you
a
are
mum,
playing your music really loud.
You're
You
allowed
don't.
to.
Yeah,
It's not only law
and
against it,
I'm
but
allowed to
polluting
run my
someone
car
with
to charge my phone.
Yeah, but you don't need to have to do it.
Yeah, but you don't have to play your music
don't
to the
have
rest
to-
of the
have
beach
you got
and
a
hear
home to
it.
charge your phone in?
No, because I'm on holiday. You're playing
What
your
does it matter
music.
if I come to your place and go into your house and put fumes
You're not
in
going to
it?
go into my house.
I will if you do it to me.
But you're playing your
I'll do
music very
everything
loud
you
so the
tell me.
rest of the beach
Mirror,
can hear you.
Yeah, and I can
there
feel
are
your
people
pollution, your
that
filth,
have walked
your lack of
away
respect to
because
your
you're
Cornish.
playing your music.
You and your mother hate you as much as you hate me. Yeah, get away back to where or you get the Cornish on you. So you better quick. Man has made it a bad word. So learn the words before you speak. And one love is good, it makes compost. I love you, I forgive you, one love.
I
Your
don't
poor
love
mother.
you.
Learn the words, don't be so thick, grow up. Don't be a baby, just respect your elders. Don't demand it. Your mother respect you, she's your mother. I'm a mother. I'm well older than you. Learn about elderly respect.
I know.
Grow up
I
and go
won't.
home, go and screw your
I don't know where my keys are at the moment. They're in that van, but she literally was chancing me here and then grabbed my keys and ran off.